Hi, this is Warweasel again. I wanted to make a separate video where I show what I'm doing in Blender. Right now, I've moved to a new rig, actually. I went out and I bought a rig. This is, I think, Auto Rig Pro, which is much better than what I was using before. Which is better than me trying to make my own from scratch. It has a lot of really nice features, but I don't have to get into that. They have lots of promotional videos. I'm just showing what I'm using it for here. Here's a very basic walk cycle I've started. It looks a little bad right now. The knees are bow-legged, and I'm still getting used to some of the rig's idiosyncrasies. But all in all, not bad so far. I've been playing around. It lets me re-rig very quickly. And that was one of my major hurdles, was trying to get a good rig, which this is. This has a lot of really, really cool things. Let me turn off auto keying. So I can go here and, if I want to roll the head or rotate the head, that's nice and easy. If I want to do a shrug, whoop. I can do that. In fact, I can give one heck of a shrug right there. Yep. So, I can do all sorts of fun stuff with this. Been playing around with as much as I can. I just haven't had a lot of time. I can do some cartoony stuff if I wanted. In fact, in some ways, the cartoony stuff is almost easier to achieve. Says a lot of just cool little things. I can look at these. I can say, okay, well, what do I need on the rig? I can add in the stuff I need. If I want to gain a max, I can. And if you even know that word, then you probably know that I'm that's not what I am going to be using it for. Although it is kind of funny just to pull parts off. All in all, everything's working pretty well. I'm here, I'm moving stuff around. Oh man, look at that leg. That's just terrible right there. I have to fix that. And I will, but I'll do that a little later. I'm also going to show, what was this other? Couches. So I've started making, assets besides this. Let me put on some mat cap here. Yeah. There we go. That's a little bit more couch-like. So if I wanted, I can grab these. I can shift or alt duplicate them. Move them on the X here. Put them there. Do that again. Put this here. Alt dupe again. Let's see. Scale -1. Let me undo that. Scale X -1. Scale Y -1. Fine. If you're going to be that way. Okay, rotate around the X-axis for a bit. Oh wait, there we go. That was right. I don't know what I did wrong. So there we are. We can make a nice couch out of that. If you're actually concerned about, where's the Y? There it is. we're concerned about some of these looking kind of the same, we can just grab them and grab that one. Okay, you know, rotate around the X. Grab, grab, move that there. Make sure that's where it needs to be. Grab, say what, rotate around the X. Put it right there. We could do some fun things like, no, not you. I can, you know, scale that on Z. I mean, it'll look terrible for now, but just an example of what I can do to make things look very, very different. Now this one I should probably, what, flip? What's it, rotate Y 180. So I can grab that, rotate on the X some. Whoa! Yeah, that really isn't right. But, like I said, we can play around with this. And I have a couch. So, take that, everyone who doesn't have a couch that's painted like a Lamborghini. There we are. Alright, well, until my next video, have a great day.